Good morning, my dear students. I am Mohammad Ibrahim Mia, lecturer in chemistry, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Dear students, today I will discuss a very important chapter of chemistry, chapter 6. The name of the chapter is Concept of Mole and Chemical Counting. From this chapter, I have selected some topics. I will start from the beginning of the chapter. All of you must see the video attentively and you must write it down what I will write in the board. All of you must take the book and classwork copy. Okay, let us start our lesson. Today, chapter 6, Concept of Mole and Chemical Counting. So from this chapter, first of all I will discuss Avogadro number, then mole, then how to find out the molecular mass of a compound, then what is molar volume, then I will discuss STP, standard temperature and pressure, then I will do some mathematical problems from related topics. Okay, so there are some topics I have written. First one Avogadro number, second one mole, then molecular mass, then molar volume, then STP, then mathematical problems. Okay, then I will start one by one. Okay, now first one is Avogadro number. So the number six 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 is used in case with atoms, molecules and ions, etc. This number is called Avogadro number. This is the first one. Then mole. The expression of atomic mass of atoms and molecular mass of molecules into gram unit is called 1 mole of a chemical substance. Okay, dear students, all of you see the board. I have written what is Avogadro number and also I have written what is mole. So first one, Avogadro number. The number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. This is a number. It is used in case with atoms, molecules and ions, etc. This number is called Avogadro number. And now what is mole? The expression of atomic mass of atoms. One is atomic mass of atoms, then molecular mass of molecules into gram unit If the atomic mass and molecular mass is expression into gram unit, then it is called 1 mole of a chemical substance. Okay, then I will give the example. All of you write it what I am writing in the board. Okay, now I will explain Avogadro number and mole by giving some examples. Okay, let us see the board. 1 mole carbon atom equal 12 gram carbon atom equals 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms. Okay, so we know that the atomic mass of carbon, it is 12. So if this atomic mass is expressed in gram unit, then it is 1 mole of carbon. Again, 1 mole water, it is also 18 gram water, then equal 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 water molecules. Okay, now it is water. What is the molecular mass of water? 18. One into 2 plus oxygen, it is 16 equal 18. So if the 18 is expressed in gram unit, then it is 1 mole. So that means 1 mole water equal 18 gram water equals 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 water molecules. So like this, we can give more examples. So I have given one carbon atom, another one is water molecule. So if it is atom, then it will be the atoms, and if it is molecule, then it will be the molecules, and it is the Avogadro number. And if atomic mass expressed in gram and molecular mass expressed in gram, then it is 1 mole of that chemical substance. Okay. Okay, now how to determine the molecular mass of a molecule? Now I will show you some examples. Okay, first one is molecular mass of sulfuric acid. Everybody know the formula of sulfuric acid, it is H2SO4. So now in this side I am writing the atomic mass. Atomic mass: hydrogen equal 1, sulfur equal 32, oxygen equal 16. Okay, now if we here hydrogen 2 atoms, so 1 is the atomic mass, it will multiply by 2 because 2 atoms of hydrogen. Then sulfur, it is 1, so it will be just 32 plus, then oxygen, it is 16, so it will multiply it 16 into 4. Okay, now if we multiply then add, it will be 98. So now how to determine the, or how to find out the molecular mass of a compound? This is the system. You have to know the atomic mass first. See that I have written the atomic mass of hydrogen, it is 1, then atomic mass of sulfur, it is 32, then atomic mass of oxygen, it is 16. So now here hydrogen atoms are 2, so for this reason 1 is multiplied by 2, and sulfur atoms, it is only 1, so if we multiply 32 into 1, then it will be 32. Then oxygen, how many atoms? 4 atoms, so that's why 16 is multiplied by 4. Now if I add all the numbers, then we will get 98. So the molecular mass of sulfuric acid is 98. Okay, now everybody see that if I write 1 mole sulfuric acid, then what will be? It is 98 gram sulfuric acid. Then in 98 gram sulfuric acid, how many molecules are there? That is Avogadro number 9 point. Yeah, that is, everybody know that a 1 mole sulfuric acid, if we convert the molecular mass into gram unit, that is, so 1 mole sulfuric acid, that means it is 98 gram sulfuric acid. Then how many molecules are there? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay, so this way you have to find out the molecular mass. Then I will give you more examples. Everybody write it. So I have given you the molecular mass of sulfuric acid. Now we will find out the molecular mass of blue vitriol. Everybody see. Formula is copper sulfate. This is the formula of blue vitriol. Okay, now this blue vitriol contains how many copper atoms? It is 1. Then sulfur, it is also 1. Then how many oxygen? Oxygen here 4 and 5, this is 9. Then how many hydrogen? This is 10. So these are the atoms. So copper 1 atom, sulfur 1 atom, oxygen 9 atoms, and hydrogen 10 atoms are there. Now the molecular mass equal. So copper, it will multiplied by 1 into 63.5 plus. Then sulfur, it is multiplied by 1 into 32 plus. Oxygen, it is multiplied by 9 into 16 plus. Hydrogen, it is multiplied by 10 into 1. So now all together it will be, if we multiply then add, 249.5. So we have got the molecular mass of blue vitriol. At first we have to know the formula of blue vitriol. What is the formula of blue vitriol? Everybody see that. I have written the formula of blue vitriol, that is copper sulfate and 5 molecules of water. So in this blue vitriol, how many atoms are there? Copper, it is 1 atom, sulfur 1 atom, oxygen 9 atoms, and hydrogen 10 atoms altogether. Now the molecular mass will be copper, it will multiplied by 1, sulfur multiplied by 1, and oxygen, it is 16 multiplied by 9, it is 9, and hydrogen multiplied by 10, then altogether 249.5. okay, now it is the molecular mass. Okay, now what will be 1 mole of blue vitriol? If I write 1 mole, then what will be? It will be 249.5 gram, because I have told that if mole is the expression of atomic mass of atoms and molecular mass of molecules into gram unit, that is 1 mole of that substance, that is 249.5 gram blue vitriol. And how many molecules are there? That is Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay, everybody write it. Okay, dear students, I have discussed Avogadro number, then mole, then how to find out the molecular mass. Now molar volume. See that the volume that 1 mole of a gaseous occupies. The volume that 1 mole of a gaseous substance occupies is called molar volume of that gas. Okay. Then STP. What is STP? 0 degree Celsius temperature and 1 atmospheric pressure, ATM pressure, together is called standard temperature and pressure, or STP. So now the volume that 1 mole of a gaseous substance occupies is called molar volume of that gas. That means in any gaseous substance at STP, the volume is 22.4 liters. So now what is STP? It is 0 degree Celsius temperature and 1 atmospheric pressure. These two together is called standard temperature and pressure, or STP. So now the volume of one mole gas at STP is 22.4 liters. So this is another number. We have today we are getting the Avogadro number, then mole, then now we are getting another number, that is the volume of 1 mole any gas at STP is 22.4 liters. Okay. Now from these topics, everybody see that first of all we have understood what is molar volume. The volume that 1 mole of a gaseous substance occupies is called molar volume of that gas. Then what is STP? I told that 0 degree Celsius temperature and 1 ATM pressure together is called standard temperature and pressure, or in shortcut it is STP. And the volume of any gas at STP, 1 mole gas at STP is 22.4 liters. Okay, now we have discussed Avogadro number, mole, how to find out the molecular mass, molar volume, and STP. Now there are some mathematical problems related to the topics. I have written one question, that is what is the mass of 10 H2 molecules. So we know that the molecular mass of water is 18 gram. That means 1 mole water equal 18 gram water equal 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay, now we have to find out the mass. That means we will write mass later on and molecules in the left side, and mass will be in the right side. So we will write the mass of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules water equal 18 gram. Therefore the mass of 1 molecule water equal 18 by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 gram. Therefore we have to find out 10 molecules water, so that will be 18 into 10, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So by using the scientific calculator you can find out the value. So that will be 2.99 into 10 inverse 22 gram. So we have got the answer. Everybody see that. First of all, we have to write we know the molecular mass of water is 18. So if it is converted to the gram unit, then it is 1 mole. And how many molecules are there? This is Avogadro number, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So the mass of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules, water equal 18 grams. So what will be 1, then what will be 10, and then by using the scientific calculator you can easily find out the answer. That is 2.99 into 10 inverse 22 gram. Okay, now the next math, I have written the question. How many molecules are there in 10 liter carbon dioxide gas at STP? Okay, so first of all we have to find out the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. So then what will be 1 mole carbon dioxide equal 44 gram carbon dioxide, because it is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Then how many molecules are there? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Then what will be the volume? It will be 22.4 liters at STP. Okay, so now we have to find out the molecules. Then in 10 liters, so in the left side we will write the liter and the right side we will write the molecules. Okay, now at STP 22.4 liter carbon dioxide contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Therefore, at STP 1 liter carbon dioxide contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 22.4, it is molecules. Therefore, at STP 10 liters carbon dioxide contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into 10 divided by 22.4. Now by using the scientific calculator we can easily find it out the answer. That will be 2.69 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay, so we have got the answer. So dear students, again see the board. We have to find out the number of molecules in 10 liter carbon dioxide gas. So we know that the molecular mass of carbon dioxide, it is 44. That's why 1 mole carbon dioxide equal 44 gram carbon dioxide. That means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. At STP the volume is 22.4 liters. So at STP 22.4 liters carbon dioxide contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Then what will be in 1 liter, then what will be in 10 liter, and we have got the answer. Okay, everybody write it. Okay, now homework. All of you see that I have given only 2 questions. One is find out the molecular mass of sodium carbonate. Then number 2, how many sulfuric acid molecules are there in 5 gram sulfuric acid. So all of you must do the homework and submit it to your subject teacher. Okay, thank you everybody.